Today I'm going to continue our series of bubble tea business at home. That is making bottled bubble tea. 300 ml bottles, same with the previous video I've shown you on making classic milk tea, winter melon tea, and salted caramel milk tea. What we are going to do today will be Thai milk tea and Thai jasmine green tea. Now I have already made my brew. This is the Thai black tea and this is the Thai jasmine green tea. Thai black tea, you can use 150 grams of black tea soaked in 5 liters of water. For the green tea, it is a little bit stronger than the black tea. Actually, it's not just a little bit stronger, it is a lot stronger. So you can have the proportion. You only need to use 75 grams of Thai jasmine green tea to 5 liters of water. And to make a 300 ml bottled tea, let's start with the Thai milk tea. So 5 ounces of brewed Thai tea, and this is where we need evaporated milk and condensed milk. Normally you can put evaporated milk and condensed milk, but because if you're making a lot of it, what I do is I already combine them into one mixture, which I call milk syrup. Half an ounce of milk syrup into the 5 ounces of black tea, so half an ounce, and another half an ounce of our golden sugar syrup. So again, check the link above if you haven't seen how to make our golden sugar syrup. So half an ounce of the golden sugar syrup. There you go. Give it a stir. For a 300 ml bottle, what you need is 8 ounces of concentrated drink. Now remember, this drink has no ice. What you need to do is after you bottle the drink, you have to put it in the refrigerator and serve them cold. Or if you have a display or a shop that you can display them, you can put them in a chiller, or you can put them in a bucket full of ice to display. Okay? So this is now about 6 ounces. Our concentrated drink is at 6 ounces. What you need to do to make it to 8 ounces is to fill it up with either evaporated milk. This is evaporated milk. I have already opened the can, that's why I put it in the bottle. Or you can fill it up with fresh milk. So if you are in an area where fresh milk is not easy to find, you can use evaporated milk. So I'm going to fill this up to 8 ounces. And that is our Thai milk tea. Okay, let me try it before I pour into our bottle. The sweetness is just perfect. This is going to be the taste of the drink because you are not going to put any more ice, so it won't be diluted with ice. So the taste of this drink at this point must be exactly how you want it to be. So try this recipe, and if you think it's too sweet, reduce the sweetness. If you think it's not sweet enough, you can add more sugar syrup. Because this is bubble tea, again, I'm going to use grass jelly as our sinker here. I'll just scoop up some grass jelly. And the grass jelly should be cut in tiny cubes. Do not make it too big because the intention is not to sell this with straw. Hopefully you just drink straight from the bottle. And so we reduce the use of plastic straw. So let's fill it up with grass jelly. And I'm going to pour my drink into the bottle, but I will transfer it into a jug with a spout, so it's easier to pour. Okay, into the bottle, our bottled Thai milk tea. It actually matches my shirt. There you go. I didn't intend that to happen. Now, this is a little bit not full enough, so I'm going to just fill it up a little bit more with evaporated milk so that it doesn't look too bad. So you know, it should be full. Okay, so you can put more evaporated milk or you can put a little bit more of your sinkers. So as I have said in a previous video, I wouldn't recommend to put tapioca pearls because this is going to rest in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks if you haven't sold it yet by then. If you put tapioca pearls will absorb the drink as well as it will become sticky and it's very hard to drink, and the drink will be more or less contaminated with starch. So use jelly, your own homemade jelly, or you can use fresh grass jelly like I have right here. Okay, and then you put the lid, which is automatically closed. So what you do is you just put it there. Okay, give it a bit of a whack and then it's closed. Okay, there is our Thai milk tea with grass jelly thinkers. So it's a, what do you call it, Thai bubble milk tea. Okay, now for the jasmine green tea, it's a very similar recipe. So I have here 5 ounces of jasmine green tea. If you don't make your milk syrup, half an ounce of milk syrup is actually about 10 ml of condensed milk and 5 ml of evaporated milk. So instead of pouring it twice, just do it once, okay? So I'll put it into my green tea mixture and give it a stir. Beautiful green color. You only get this with Thai jasmine green tea. So you have to find Thai jasmine green tea. The Thai black tea and the Thai jasmine green tea are actually available at Chao. So there you are. You can find it there. Okay? And then you need 10 ml of sugar syrup. Only 10. Not the same as the first one. I would like to put only 10 or 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup. That's 10 ml. And put it into my drink. And the reason why I'm putting only 10 ml is because the Thai jasmine green tea for me is so much better and the taste is enhanced with an addition of vanilla syrup. So I have here vanilla syrup. You can use any vanilla syrup that you have available. And I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon or 1 pump or 5 ml. So this is just to enhance the taste of our jasmine green tea. Okay, so there you go. Once again, it's only about 6.5 ounces. I would like it to come up to 8 ounces for my bottle. So I'm going to fill it up with, again, evaporated milk. So you can use evaporated milk or fresh milk to make it up to 8 ounces. That just about finishes my evaporated milk in the bottle. Okay, so there you go. That is our Thai jasmine green tea. Okay, let me try it. Again, the taste of this is just perfect for me. You can adjust plus or minus depending on your preference. But the taste of this one is actually so beautiful. It's the addition of vanilla just makes it taste so much better. You should give this a try. So there you have it, 2 additional bubble milk tea that you can include into your consideration for when you decide to make your bubble tea at home. For sale, not just for you to drink, okay? If you have a milk tea or coffee shop, this is also a good option. Another advantage of using bottled milk tea is that when they are delivered to the customer, the drinks are not diluted. If you serve them with ice, by the time it gets to the customer, it's already diluted. So this one, the taste is exactly how it is when you put it in the bottle. So what you do here is to put it in the refrigerator. It must be served chilled. There you go. I hope that you have learned something new again today, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.